crazy view.
Check it out.
Yeah. A view, yeah. Alright. So today we are gonna cook some brown stew goat. Brown stew goat and some mashed potato and a little bit of turmeric rice. So this is goat here, so me have right now we already seasoned and everything. Just in a cooler bit of fridge. So this me I gonna max up here now. Right, so me I gonna do this. I cook on the big one back. Cook on the big one back. Understand? Cook on the big one there back and use up a little small one. But yeah, that way I match too. So right here, so I burn some sugar to do the brown stew to the goat. Yeah, I don't want it darker than that. Take care of my cooker before it start get more darker. I don't want it darker than that. The consistency them I want. So I'm gonna do. I put the meat inside now. Quickly put it back on and empty out this inside. So what time I go on? See time there. 3:53. The time kinda dark up here. You don't know say them place. Yes, so I move the meat from the back one. I'm gonna put it on the front one. Put him up to 10 and make him boil up fast. Put some salt inside. Not too much salt. Pressure cooker pot for 10 minutes, but it tastes different when you put it in a pressure pot from when you just cook it normal like this, you know. It's more tasty when you cook it longer way. Yeah. So I just make it cook that way. Yeah. Okay, now I start do some farming, which I want to do farming. And when you go use, you just cut off the end bit, and you can just plant it one time. Running already. You know what I mean. Yeah, but as I said, them potato here can grow fast. We have a lot of it there to go on. But yes, so there's some brown stew goat, mashed potato, and on the side I'm gonna do some turmeric rice. Could put them potato in the pot and the pot start boil up already. I cut them smaller so them cook faster. Just try anything, not really mind. So me and them, you can put some evaporated milk, you can put some powdered milk, normal milk, whatever you want to put in there. Up to you. As I eat if somebody want to try it and them watch this, they can try it. But me I do stuff my way, not people way, you know? Yes. And maybe little mayonnaise as well. Just to get a different kind of balance taste. That is it. Mash them up. But funny enough, this cover fit it. This cover pan, this part fit it. But I don't have a cover for it, I may use that part now. So we'll buy these kind of little thing rubber silicone or whatever they call them. And that works fine. See, that fit it perfectly. Right now, I tell myself the power module of 37% battery and the camera itself of 100%. So once if the power module go off, the camera will still record, but it won't be recording on the memory card, which is crazy. It will be recording on the camera itself. That's just some stupid mechanism, I think. So right now, I'll bust the potter, so see what time it is. Give it a one stir. Don't know. Give it a one stir, the first stir. And as I say, when I burn the sugar, you can bring the thing to the consistency that you want. You know? When I use browning, although when I use browning, you don't have to put, you just put a little, yeah. But when we burn it, I find it tastes a bit better still. Even though me use browning, me have browning, but when I burn it yourself still, I just think it tastes a bit better. And that we grew up and see with grandparents and with mother and father and most of the people that were around with. That's how we used to see them cook. Put sugar in a pot and burn that. Understand? So that's how it look like right now. I know me not put no water inside that. Feed own juice it a cookie, you know. Yeah. You know just run and put water inside. It will take longer to cook. You make it cook in your own juice. You don't know so them thing I want 80% water. Once you turn your pusher down the right way, you don't turn it up too much. You gotta cook it in your own juice, you know. I found four of them. I bring people low. I bring some to number 3 now. And just leave that. Right? So right now, what we're going to do now, while the food are cook, we're going to cut up some seasoning with some tomato. Get some tomato, some thyme. Wash them out first. Some thyme, some scallion, some sweet pepper as well. What else? I put some carrot inside as well. No big carrot because I don't want the thing to taste so sweet. And I have some pumpkin. Yeah, that means a freestyle cook and I not follow a book when I cook. when I cooking I mainly me just freestyle, try stuff. If me like it, me like it. If me not like it, me not try it again. That's how me stay. Or maybe me try it again because maybe the first time I try it, my sister me make some mistake or me could have improved. So that's all me cook. I'm a freestyle cooker. Many stuff I cook and try. You never know say it could have work until me try it. And that's what cooking tastes to. That cooking a science. I put my onion and so and some garlic. But me not a big old onion because I want a big onion. Put a small onion because I have this as well. Let's go to my second. Wash off them and then get my second. Alright. You could chop them board. All that stuff them there so. I don't know if I become plug the camera in. Why you know I show the mic in. It might just come up there. I don't know why I go on like I do that. Or maybe it's still a working in the background. I don't know, but me just hit a flash or something. Oh, real sharp and heavy rough. Put them in another tank until I'm ready to use them, but I have to cut up them tank before time. So now time to get them in. I'm ready to go. And them sweet pepper long one. Full of sweetness. Okay. I'm not thousand of seed put on right now. You need to plant 1,000. I call that a edge. A edge like say it want drop down in a little bit there so. Just try something different still. See how we can get some sound, some different sound from this. Let's put everything inside this also. Tomato. I'm just turn it over and cut it like this and then cut it again. I don't want them to be big one and to cook up fast. And cut it again now maybe also. Just like that. And you say I put them brown sugar there. The tomato give a nice flavor there. Yeah, with everything else but the tomato now give a nice flavor of my life. And with this because I cook mashed potato. I not go put no potato inside. So I just put some carrot. And as I say, we have some pumpkin, that one little piece in it as well, you know. I say my style of freestyle cooking. If you were cooking on the book, I buy the book. Yeah. My cooking is not by the book cooking. Just cook. Whatever I feel like putting on my pot, that's how I cook. I have time for this. Oh, this needs have to go in there, and if this needed there, so I'm cooking different. All about the taste. I'm cut up a scallion first. Cut up the scallion. I'm not so excited. And to let the children laugh as remind us how we used to be. I'm not lie. Dicing up, dicing up, dicing up. I think I can do that sometimes with that area problem. I want to edit. I don't like editing. Excited when you're editing.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older.
I'm very excited to edit, but it does take some time. But I don't really mind. But me always not eager to get the video out. So, yeah. But that's it there. Everything you know just cut up. Tomato, some scallion, some thyme, onion, and garlic. And now I'm gonna get some ginger. I put this of ginger as well. Not much, or that much. So I'm gonna do just scrape it off like this. Then I don't want the outer layer. So I'm just scrape that off. And then I will cut it up real fine. I don't know what I like ginger in there. You know what I mean? So you have to cut it big way. That me eat it same way, you know? Yeah. And I like African, see some big old piece of ginger. Maybe you can give some big old piece of ginger, yeah, mistake it with a piece of meat. And you bet with the piece of meat now. Like with the ginger, I'm just gonna cut it up small. The meat has different taste. Right. Yeah, my name now. Yeah. Very small. put it out. You know what I mean? Now eat the meat, but see sometimes I get inside the still. Yes, nice. Another I said big where you can't eat. Yeah. Yes, sir.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this
And then I
time
know
to begin. We ain't
we're
getting
going
any
out again
older. I kinda feel
and
a little
bust them up some
younger.
more. Yeah. Put them up some more. But I great time too. Yeah, but I try it that way there too. Use a greater the big and can just. So that's everything we are going to do now. And don't forget the main ingredient. Don't forget this one here, pimento. So with the pimento now, we have put this in a pot and now I'm making go on. You know? You know the pimento different. So we have put them in a pot. Nice. What I'm gonna do? Over so just check that and mix it. Put this inside. Put this one. Dry it down. So I put this inside here now. And light up the kettle. For some reason these LED lights always flash in the camera. And it is not flashing when I'm looking at it. That's weird. But I like it. The kettle to throw some water inside the pot. Alright. Put some hot water from the kettle inside. Put him up to number 4. Right. Just left him there now. Left it, her. Better cut up that meat here, man. But it's them small here, man, like a bird in my feed. Not even see say that's a small him cut them. You know when before meat cook them kinda look, you know. But as soon as you cook and it drain all that the excess fluid there from it, excess water, you start thing there now. Put some other little pepper here inside. Not much. Cause kids are near me too. My daughter said she want the brown sugar goat cause she like it. So yeah, give her what she want, you know. Look at that green season here too. Then give my next rub up. Yeah, taste it and see what I go on for it. If you miss nothing. If you want balance up. You know, sometimes them things if you balance them up, you know. Depends on the taste we are go after. Yeah man, that good. season, they must taste in it and then must start cook out it. So, you know, balance. You know, so I could have add liquor. Let me see. Think that good. That good. Liquor and nothing now. So go in there, make that just cook. And then I think that is it. So I go and over here so feed potato. And they are boil like a madman. You wanna go fast and stick inside and see what I want. Yeah? But my mashed potato not just normal, cause me have something when me always add in my mashed potato. I don't know if anybody else do it, but I always do it. And I'm gonna do it now. Right? Wait, come on, so. Come here, so. Me always add some spaghetti. Yes, man. Me always add some spaghetti. Not all the time, but yeah. Add some spaghetti inside the mashed potato. So I'm gonna put some spaghetti inside now, like what that done cook. I'm gonna add some inside and make this go and cook. But not whole heap no. Not whole heap I go add inside. Fairly amount. I don't know if anybody do it this way. Maybe, yeah, I think people maybe. Because there's nothing where we alone do. People always think about stuff too. So we are gonna broke them, like, see that the length there? Just broke it there so. Broke it. Understand, I make that cook. So once that cook now, that's him ready to start out the mushroom. As me say, my cooking is freestyling. My cooking and freestyle. Me not just boring. You know, none of them boring chefs. If me go and call myself a chef, everybody a chef in their own right. But yeah. You know, none of them boring person when them a cook. My cooking happy, you know. So that's how we're gonna do some rice as well. Some turmeric rice. I don't cook no whole heap of rice because I don't cook potato already. We're not cooking no whole heap of rice. Just cook the right amount. Get the rice a quick wash. Recycle the bag where me use a zip tie bag and I wash it back, so I put some hot water inside so I can make it in there. Then I go wash it out with some bleach and then reuse it back. The reason why I put the hot water is just because of the oiling is from the goat. Put little salt inside, just a little bit. That is it. Then Then we're gonna put some butter. The butter inside there. Some butter. Right now I'm not use the mic because the way this thing, when I plug it in just now, I notice I not charge for the mic modules. So I just plug it out and I use the thing. How I normally use it. So some turmeric. Master. Keep on as a ghee master. Ghee toaster. Ghee raster. Let me ghee toaster. Left that and make that. Go and cook out now. This is what I go in a meat pot. Run and so. Go and cook down. I know I have some beans, me can't put it in this, but not beans, right, Carl? Right there. So white kidney beans, but I what we call a broad bean this, yeah. You go and drop one of them in it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna work with that today. Next time, next part. So I'm gonna put the carrot and them sitting in the try that one there. Make that go and cook some more. Make them season and stuff to cook out. You know? I eat that. The brown stew, man. And over here, so now. Pot just boil up. Just turn it down to number 1. And that's it. Let's see what I'm going inside also. I think them spaghetti get twisted and then keep on. Yeah man, that's it. No further than that we'll go with it. No further than that. Only further we are going to mash him up in a pot. Empty out some of the water. Not some, we're gonna empty out all this water. Maybe leave a liquid tiny bit inside still. If you give potato that smoothness there. Give the mash that smoothness. Yeah. Just run the same thing. Very good. Judo. Wonder under pot when it starts. Alright, inside here, so we are do the mash. Mash them up inside the sink. Alright, now you go on top. I forget about this. Evaporated milk. Now hold it for milk. Your butter gone milk already. Alright. So first thing first, you put in the butter so it can melt. You don't want to put in that last. You want to put the butter in first. Understand? So put the butter in first. Put butter in first before anything else. That's it. Now put some more butter down. Right. Put the butter in. And what I'm going to do now, I just start before I add anything else inside. My mashed potato, I do it now, it come like an ice cream. I like do it in ice cream because I kind of have it low when me above it. So I do it right as up to this. I maybe should have take it off of that thing, but we put it kind of hot. I move this one also. Put it flat. Alright. So I think maybe we'll get some better leverage now. See there? Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in a little evaporated milk. Not whole heap, no whole heap in it. And a tea we make. Random popcorn, rainbow popcorn, random cornflakes. Like all that in there now, I put some mayonnaise. And them things I don't know whole heap of it you want in it. You just, you just get a different taste and make a different flavor in. You don't know whole heap of it. You don't want to know the mashed potato come like a mayonnaise on them, you know? So it's change the texture right now. It's coming like a ice cream. My record is alright, then I see the spaghetti inside now it get a different texture again. Guys, it's smooth and then I get that little, you know? Yeah. So then spaghetti then just kinda you can find it. Then break down one smaller and a smaller piece. Them size there. Sometimes you like them mashed potatoes smooth like a melt. Then I put in one more. everything inside.
We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older.
You know?
I kinda feel a little
And
young.
that is it. Look how smooth this is. Watch it. So smooth. Very smooth. Cover it down. Remember me say me want to put one of them broad bean inside. So me put one inside. That's it. Come off one time. Alright, so I'll put it inside there. The meat. Them not broad. I look a small one them man, but the white beans. But them are bad. Them beans are bad. I like them beans are bad. Them beans are bad. We eat them all the time. Bad beans them. Yeah man, just mix him up, make him get inside. So my cooking different here. My cooking I know book. I don't follow the book cooking maybe. Whatever me feel like add to my pot, that's how me cook. Like it or I like it. Either me try it back or me not try it back. But anything when I do, always try it back. Always something when it become like favorite, like all this. So me I do that right now. The turmeric rice. This is something when I try countless of time. Understand? That's something when I cook countless of time. Just like the carrot as well. Pumpkin, same way, callaloo, spinach. Yeah. When me I cook my thing different. Grate all the potato. Grate the Irish and knead it with the flour. That bad like a yard. Yo. There's no rules in cooking. The rest. Come out fluffy and nice. That done already. I just the meat now. Just make the beans go and simmer down in that. And we eat it again. Alright. I make some coleslaw now. Just come to my mind and I say me. That's how I eat the most of the cut up cabbage. Make them slices as small as possible. Big thing. Some purple cabbage, some white cabbage. Make some coleslaw today. Cabbage roll up on each other like them no want to let go. Get the purple cabbage in first. don't know if I use the whole of this. And take off the heart bit off it. Never get rid of him so much. I'm try to get it out. Get out the heart because it's not gonna go right with it. Coleslaw. I say my cooking different from everybody one still, so I not go watch movie and watch video of it cook. I just cook. Yeah, so me cook. People will learn from me just like how me can learn from them. Should I put more cabbage? No, I'm not put no more cabbage. Just I'll do the carrot now. On the side there. Mix them together. Plate a kind of small. I don't know why I'm putting it a smaller bowl. Yeah. I may have so much bigger stuff there. I don't know what is wrong with me sometimes. Just like that. Everything chop up like that. Get it inside the bowl as well. Move this from us. And next step now, to get the mayonnaise. We put mayonnaise on the First, mix up this so it all get mixed in. As I say, I should have used a bigger bowl, but I don't know why I'm putting this a smaller thing here. Because we just keep on a fall out on the counter. That's not unlike me. Normally use the right stuff for the right things, so I don't know why I do this. So I mix some, put some mayonnaise inside. Along with some honey. Not too much honey, just want to get a little bit of sweetness. So you can mix up everything inside this fork. I need some more meal inside. Put more mayonnaise inside. That's very nice. Delicious. Oh gosh. A little sweet pepper. A little scallion. Oh gosh. So that's it. My coleslaw done. Just like that, my coleslaw finished. As you can see, we are cooked from early and now time get more darker. If you're cooking an hour and 1 minute sitting and rest, I goat me a cook. Me put in a micro, so what's wrong with me? If me put in some cucumber as well. Just big side pan a grater. Nah. Big slide. We don't want them to be big and ugly, so them size are good. I'll put them on top of the coleslaw. Couple piece more. And that is it for today. Cooking done. Time to share some food now. Feelings now. That's where I come down to. Gravy thick and nice because the pizza grinder so might kind of mash out and you know get a nice thick gravy there. You see it there? Nice. Alright, let me show you some food now and don't mash it up. Starting with the rice. Kinda fix it up a way today, you know? No, too much rice. something smaller. You put the rice, so now if you put so much rice. So try to get the rice firm up inside this. Try and put him in a big the plate or so. Oh gosh. I'm fine. Get something to take out some of the mash now. I don't know if you use the mash right now. The mash is mashing. Let's put some mash to the side. So. Don't touch it much, don't touch it. Different stuff, so we're not going to put no worry for nothing. One. Like this, so. Cover up the pot inside. Put it on the side also. Get the meat pot over. Clean it also. Get the meat pot over. Put it right on here, so. Right next to the goat is my nice rich gravy also. On top. That's up my creation. Then run on the side you know. Go around here so. Combo. Put the rest to the side. And get some of the coleslaw. And get some more of the coleslaw. There you have it. You have some mashed potato there, so. Some turmeric rice, some coleslaw, cucumber, and some brown stew goat with some beans, some white kidney beans. That is it. But I'm going to enjoy now.